Hello everyone, I'm Shazam the Geek and welcome back to another video. And, well, not really another video, but, um, you see, I was recording, as you can see in my previous video, I said that I was going to expand the farm. I did expand the farm, and I also did expand the house as well. But, when I was recording, I didn't have my mic on. So, basically all you were seeing was basically the sound in game, but not my actual voice itself. So yep, that's a waste. So rather than just like making it short, why not like continue on? I did say during the previous recording, the one where I had no mic, that I would expand the house that way as well, so might as well do it now. So yeah, but hello everyone, I am back, and you know, sorry, it's just that it's kind of annoying that I was recording for so long just for me to be muted this entire time. I wish like my recording software would let me know, but you know, it's not sentient, so probably not. But it's been a while. I've not uploaded in quite some time, mainly because, well, I've been working on my latest game. It's gonna be very awesome. I think you should definitely. Oh, hi there. I think you should definitely, well, not check it out. I mean, as in like, it's gonna come out later, so not right now. But it's gonna be pretty awesome, and I've been working on like the game engine for my game. So that's the reason why I've not been uploading, because I've been so focused on my game and like getting everything right with my game engine, so I can actually, you know, post this game to play, because this game is gonna be way bigger than Sandbox. Like Sandbox, yeah, I want it to be big, but like it's not as big as I expected it. So this next game that I'm making is hopefully gonna be bigger than Sandbox. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. I've just been making my game engine for my latest video game that I'm making. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. But actually, not really, but one more thing. I've also watched the Amazing Digital Circus, the final episode of the season. Yeah, I think, yeah, they're only doing one season, merely because well, they've just been getting like a lot of hate for no reason. I personally think that it's pretty stupid why people are going after such an awesome indie creation team, because they've honestly been doing way more work than like any big Hollywood studio would ever do, honestly. Like if you asked Hollywood, Hollywood, if you asked Hollywood for like the same amount of quality from their movies, they'll probably be like, give us like 100 million and we'll do it. Like they want such big money for such like teeny tiny, like teeny pixels return of value given to us. So it's pretty cool that Gooseworks and like the Glitch production are even able to do such awesome craftsmanship. So, you know, I don't know why people are complaining. It's mostly just people on Twitter or like Instagram and stuff, you know, calling it all that stuff. But yeah, it's too forced upon. I think they're really good. You should definitely check out the final episode if you can, if it's in your local theaters and whatnot. But I think it's probably gone by now, because well, didn't it come out like at the start of June? Who knows? They might still be in the box office, but I don't know. I just watched it like the day before yesterday, so you know, I have no clue whether it's still on or not. But yeah, they're pretty awesome. You should definitely check them out. They're really good. But yeah, that's another thing that I've mostly done watching. And I've also planning on watching the Backrooms. It's just that my friends haven't really. Well, they're kind of busy, so I'm just mostly waiting for them to get that whatever they're doing sorted. So once that's done, I should also be able to watch the Backrooms with them, and you know, it'll be a blast. I could talk to you guys about it, and like, you know, it'd be pretty awesome. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I don't know what else I was gonna say. Oh yeah, speaking of, not speaking of, sorry. My this latest game that I'm working on, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually having so much fun with it. Like, I'm having fun with it just as much as I was with Sandbox, but this one is like twice as fun than Sandbox, you know, because the concept for, like the concept for like the main character is so like awesome. I mean, it's clearly have been done before, but not with this unique character that I'm making. But you know, it's pretty cool. And sorry, I'm just like building and no clue what I'm talking about. But I just really want this game to succeed because it's the one that I've been working on for a while now, and like getting all the textures and like assets and getting like a game engine to work for this specific game. And yeah, for those who are wondering why make your own game engine when you can just use an existing one, well, it's to mostly capture that 2000s era, like early 2000 era of gaming, where everyone just, instead of using like an existing game engine, they'll just use their own in-house game engine. So I think that's also pretty cool. And I mean, sorry, that's not cool. I mean, it's cool, but you know, that's the reason why I'm using that's the reason why I'm creating my own rather than using a pre-existing one. Because, and it's also because of you know, learning, you know, I actually understand how to do more of graphics programming and such. You know, I mean, I wouldn't say, I mean, I have learned it, but like most of my code is written with Claude. So I mean, it's more about like understanding your code. If I'm just pasting it in and I'm not understanding it, I'm not getting through with it, then I'm not learning. But from what I've been doing so far, I've been learning and I have been improving, and I've been, you know, been able to do so much more. Oh, whoops, dropped my axe. But yeah, I've been able to do so much more, and you know, I think I definitely have understand a lot more of C++ now. I mean, I did slightly before, but now it's just a more like, yep, I get it now. I get how to do that part, sort of. I'll probably forget it, but in the future, if I ever do that again, then definitely. And yeah, and sorry, I just keep saying and, my bad. There's also this other project that I'm working on. I'm sure you might, I'm not, well, I mean, my YouTube channel's not that big, but I'm sure you've seen, I have my GitHub page linked on my YouTube channel, and also I think some other place as well, I can't remember. But I have my GitHub linked, and in it, I am working on this side project from Sandblocks and my game engine and all that other stuff, and my other game. I'm working on this project, which is basically a graphics library, but for C++. The reason for this is because graphics libraries in C++ is extremely hard, mainly because the few that are so available. Hold on, let me go to sleep. Let's go. Wait. Okay, I'll just wait. Mainly because the few C++ libraries that are available, they're either really slow, or they say that it's modern, but they say modern as in like the programming language, like the C++ programming language, they're using like a modern version of that, rather than it being like the UI itself being modern, you know. So they're mostly just kind of lying, basically. But yeah, hence why I'm making my own library, mainly because of it's gonna be for software, so you can add it to, like, if you create a window, then you can use my library to also create UI with it. And also you could I'm also mostly planning on it to work for software and also video games as well. So you can also make UI for video games, kind of like this right here. This inventory is like a UI and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, that's another one that I've been working on. That one I'm not gonna use AI for, mainly because, well, I also want to learn myself how to like, well, blind type, and also a how to what's the word? Just, oh yeah, just to like overall like learn how to do something without the help of GPT. Sort of. I still use it, but like I wouldn't ask it to like generate an entire code base for me, sort of as well as well. But like, I'm typing most of it myself, so yeah. Um, that's pretty much it. I think, yeah, no, that's pretty much it. I'm mostly just, yeah. Right now, I'm getting some seeds so I can expand my wheat farm, but I doubt that's gonna be possible. Okay, never mind. Oh, foxes! Holy crap! I actually switched from Firefox back to Brave, mainly because Firefox is just, not only is it just slow, sort of, in Linux now, but also because when you compare the colors in Brave to Firefox, they look like Firefox's colors, like when browsing and stuff, it looks so much dull than compared to Brave. Like the Brave's colors are like so bright and not shiny, but like bright, and like you can see more colors in Brave's browser compared to Firefox's. I'm sure there's like a way to fix it, but honestly, they should have just oh no. Honestly, there's a way to fix this, but they should have made it like default to have the colors be brighter for the player. I mean, not the player. I meant the user, but yeah. But I still like Firefox. I would probably, like, every now and again I switch back to Firefox, mainly because of it's still the better browser compared to Chrome, or like any Chromium version. But that's like the only downside. It's just that it's like sometimes slow. I don't know what's wrong with the code base, but it's slow, and it also just does not work as well at times, and the colors and all that stuff, but hey, after maybe like give it some time, and they'll definitely be able to get everything sorted and fixed, hopefully, because yeah, no, I cannot deal with the lack of colors on Firefox right now. It's just it's not even that much of color, so right, I'm gonna get some dirt to expand my farm, and I think after that I'll call it off, mainly because I've been recording for almost an hour, like probably 30 minutes now, but that's like still a lot. I should have had it done way before, but since my voice didn't since it was not capturing my voice, I couldn't stop it right then and there, so I had to like re-record it. But yeah, I would say that I've done more in this episode than any other episode, but yeah, there probably will be another episode where it will one up this one, definitely. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna patch this hole over here. It's too annoying, and I want there to be a clear path. Oh. Do I have bone so I can expand the wheat? I do. Yeah. Right, I'm just gonna turn that into bone meal and just start, tending it all. Is that okay? Wow, that was okay. I didn't even notice, because even the old textures look awesome. It's pretty hard to tell which one was fully grown compared to like makes sense why they had to switch, because like, can you even tell which one's the grown one? No, it's only because of like the hitbox itself. It's like slightly bigger than this one, but right. So I'm just gonna place this, and where did my hole go? Don't take that out of context. But Right. Finally some food to eat. I'm gonna quickly expand this and then I'll just be on my way out. And then, and also get my video that I'm currently working on finished, because man, I've not uploaded in a while and I really just want to get, I just really want to get something out. Because I took a gap year from uni. I definitely think I'll go back to uni, but well, we'll see. But like, I definitely will go back to uni, but I want to my main goals for this gap year was to, well, quite a bit, but I'm definitely gonna achieve it. Like I want to achieve it like this year definitely, but like it's just so much. But I will get it done, and I will succeed in doing it. So yeah, hold on, because my main goals for this year was to switch from, well, not switch, but actually yeah, to switch from Windows to Linux, and also what do you call it, switch from I'll explain the other ones later, but my main one was to switch from Linux to Windows, Windows to Linux, other way around, my bad, and a few other stuff, one of them being is learning German. So what I've done is I've actually taken the liberty to, no, I'm kidding, I've taken what do you call it, the current operating system that I'm on, I've changed its language to German, and so I've just been mostly copy and pasting those words into a translator to see what they actually mean. So I think it's sort of helpful. Like I'm actually sort of getting like the small words that are needed for like I'm not gonna obviously learn most of it, but like I'll learn enough that can like actually help me communicate with other German people. So it'll be pretty cool. So yeah. Actually, I should probably forget about the stairs. Hold on, because I am gonna make a second floor in the next episode. So, ooh, let's not hit the axolotl. All right. I know I said I'll end it, but let me just quickly move this to this corner here. That. You come here. Awesome. And I'll block you off. There we go. It's looking cozy enough already. And I'm just gonna, actually I should not leave him here. Hey, he or she, I don't know. You guys comment below if you want to know if it's a he or she. And yeah. I mean, who knows, who cares, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'll boat you here. Hold on, backing it up. There. Yeah, you're fine there. Okay. And I think I will. Hold on. What way should the stairs be? Okay, I'll just. Yeah, no, it's better here. Okay. Right. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll talk more about my gap year and like the goals in my gap year in the next episode. But for this episode, oh man, I'm tired. I'm not tired, but like, I just woke up like a few hours ago. It's like what, 1 o'clock now. Wait, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you in the next one. In the next episode, I'm gonna expand to the roof as well, and yeah, maybe even definitely gotta grow out that wheat farm. It's way too small, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a nice day and stay safe. But yeah, bye.